In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot AI triggers in GHL. We're going to build a simple, reliable test workflow that helps you confirm whether your AI-related triggers are firing as expected. This lightweight setup isolates the trigger and gives you clear, immediate feedback via SMS, making it easy to spot where things might be going wrong. First, open your GHL workspace and head to Automation. This is the home base for your workflows and where you can see, create, and adjust automations. Select Create Workflow to spin up a fresh test. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch. Beginning with a blank canvas prevents hidden conditions or legacy steps from influencing your results, which is key when you're troubleshooting. Next, add the event that will start the test. Click Add New Trigger and select Customer Booked Appointment. This choice fires the workflow whenever a contact books time on your calendar, which is a clear, repeatable event you can initiate yourself. Keep the default settings for this test, then click Save Trigger so the workflow knows exactly what to listen for. Now, let's add an immediate, visible action. Click the plus icon to add an action. In the action search, type SMS, then choose Send SMS. In the message field, type a clear test message you'll recognize at a glance. For example, Appointment Trigger Test. If you're seeing this, the trigger fired. Keep it short and plain text so it's easy to find in the conversation thread and reporting. When you're happy with the copy, click Save Action to lock it in. We'll add a tiny pause to make the sequence easier to read in logs and timelines. Click the plus icon again to add another action. Type Wait in the search and select Wait. Enter 1 in the duration field. The default unit is typically minutes, which is perfect for quick validation. This brief delay separates your immediate SMS from anything else you might stack later, helping you see the order of operations at a glance. Click Save Action. With that, your troubleshooting scaffold is ready. When a customer books an appointment, the trigger should fire, the SMS should send right away, and then the workflow should pause for 1 unit. This gives you concrete checkpoints. If the SMS arrives, your trigger is functioning. If it doesn't, revisit your trigger selection and ensure the appointment event actually occurred. Once this minimal test passes, you can confidently layer your AI steps back in, knowing the foundation.